everyone, this is Cindy with Creating the Heart, and I am back with another triple slim stencil project. So I did show off some stencil projects that I made. I'm going to show you again some other projects that I made. I don't know if I used this Happy Mother's Day. I don't know if I did. I think I only used it on this other card, so I'll set this one aside. And so the triple slim is, they give you directions on the back of here. So my stencils are totally stinking filthy, so I need to clean them. But what you do is you cut a paper at 5.75 by 9.75, and then you stencil, and there's an order that you use to stencil, and there's little marks that you can make with your first stencil, and then your second, third, and fourth stencil, you'll match up those marks, and then you'll stencil over it. And when you're done, you get 3 distinct beautiful panels. You'll cut them, I believe, at 3.25. You cut them, and then you have 3 panels that fit on a mini slim card base. So it's pretty amazing. I love it. I love the quads too. And so I just have so much to do that I can play with stencils, like these quad stencils and triple slims, like all day long, because they're just really fun, and you can just do all kinds of different patterns. So I also use this, which is the signature sentiments, goes really, really well with this. And then, so let me show you the cards. So I did do 3. And these ones, what I did with these ones is I did some white splatter, and I white embossed the image or the sentiment. So I white embossed the sentiment. So this one is happy birthday, this one is thank you, and this one is just because. So just really great cards. And then this one, these 3, I used a die that cuts one impression and makes a whole bunch of these little thin rectangles. And Tailored Expressions sells them, but they're out a lot of times of that particular die. And so I actually bought mine from Honeybee, and I found out it was on clearance. I think it was $10 or $12. It was really, really a good deal. So if that's something you like, to get these like thin borders, I highly recommend that. So that's how I got these thin borders, and they're all sort of a little bit different size because I cut it one time in the silver paper, and then it made like descending tiny little rectangles. So this one says hello friend, this one is thank you, this is happy birthday, completely different colorway than the craft. And what I did was I just stamped it in black, and then I used, it's very shimmery, it's like super shimmery, because I used this sheer shimmer craft spray in sparkle. I love this stuff. So I sprayed my completed project and let it dry. I want to say I did it after I assembled the card. I can't remember how I did it, but then I put it onto these card bases, and I have some really beautiful cards, and they're all ready to be sent. So, I mean, if you gotta buy anything like this, you can get a lot of bang for your buck. I think it's really, really cool. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Creating the Heart.